Hello dear students. So in this video we will be discussing how to handle and what is the exam hack if quarter is given instead of months in the question. Very simple. First concept that you should understand is one quarter means 3 months. An year has 4 quarters. If it is one quarter, it is 3 months. If it is at the beginning of the quarter, and then we'll be once again dividing the page into 3 parts. Accounting period is 12 months, accounting period is 9 months, and accounting period is 6 months. Alright, now first case, situation 1 in first column, if the accounting period is 12 months and the drawing is done at the beginning of every quarter. If the drawing is done at the beginning of every quarter, then what is to be done? We will have to do it in a different way. Now, since we just now discussed that one quarter has 3 months and the accounting period is 12 months, what we will have to do is we should do 12 months because that is the accounting period plus 3 because that is the quarter. 12 plus 3 divided by 2. It will become 15 by 2. It will become 15 by 2. So what will be the answer? 15 by 2 is 7.5, 7.5 months. 7.5 months. Next, if the drawing is done at the end of every quarter, then what is to be done? It is once again simple. 12 is the accounting period minus 3 divided by 2. 12 minus 3 divided by 2. It will become 9 by 2, which will be equal to 4.5 months. It will become 4.5 months. Now, if the drawing is made at the middle of every quarter, then what is to be done? It is 12 because that is the accounting period plus 0 because nothing is there divided by 2. It will be equal to 12 by 2, which will be equal to 6 months. This is the way we will have to calculate. Now coming to second column, accounting period is 9 months. It is same difference. Only thing is instead of 1, we'll be replacing it with 3. In the earlier video, we had used 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 0. Here, instead of 1, we'll be replacing it with 3. Understood? That is the only change that will be happening. Now once again, since the accounting period is 9 months, the first situation is if the drawing is made at the beginning of every quarter, then 9 plus 3, because 3 months is every quarter, 9 plus 3 divided by 2, which will be equal to 12 by 2, which will be equal to 6 months. So next situation, if the drawing is made at the end of every quarter, then the accounting period is 9 months. So it will become 9 minus 3 divided by 2, which will be equal to 6 by 2, which will be equal to 3 months. And the last situation, if the drawing is made at the middle of every quarter, then it will become accounting period is 9. So 9 plus 0 divided by 2, which will be equal to 9 by 2, which will be equal to 4.5 months. This is the way we will have to calculate the time period for interest on drawing. Now coming to 6 months, 6 months column. For situation 1, at the beginning of every quarter, time period is 6 months. So 6 plus 3 divided by 2, which will be equal to 9 by 2, which will be equal to 4.5 months. Situation 2, drawing is made at the end of every quarter. So accounting period is 6 months. So 6 minus 3 divided by 2, which will be equal to 3 by 2, which will be equal to 1.5. 1.5 months. Then the last situation, if the drawing is made at the middle of every quarter, what is the time period? 6 months. So 6 divided by 2. 6 plus 0 divided by 2, which will be equal to 6 by 2, which will be equal to 3 months. This is the way we'll have to calculate. This is the easiest exam hack that any student will be able to use to write the answer correctly. Now, even if the examiner will try to test you with a different accounting period, just take the accounting period and depending on the quarter or months, you will have to just do plus 1, plus 3, -1, -3, +0, +0. This is the only adjustment that you may have to do in your exam if they test for any other accounting period, which is very, 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 very remote. They will not be testing these things, according to me. Anyway, even if they test, you are equipped with the hack. Alright, if you like this video, please do like and share and subscribe our channel, so that many of your friends also will be able to get help and get quality content and exam hacks and exam tricks and techniques for free, and more students will be benefited. If you have any query, or if you want a particular topic to be a particular topic as a video, please do write in our comments, so that we'll be able to provide you with that assistance. Thank you.